Scientists have created a prototype device for remote control of objects in space. Welcome to the Space Diary channel. Before watching, I want to ask you to help our channel by liking and subscribing. According to a study published in Systems Engineering and Electronics, Chinese scientists want to create a device to control objects in orbit using magnetic force. And they already have a prototype that uses magnetic plasma rings to control remote objects. This technology can be used to restore satellites for missions to deliver cargo into space and to deflect space debris. The South China Morning Post writes, "In the famous Star Wars movie saga, the Jedi can use the Force to move objects without physical contact with them. This allows the Jedi to move objects, people, and create complex structures or repair equipment. Chinese scientists were able to turn science fiction into reality. So far, only a prototype of the new device has been created. But scientists want to create a fully functioning device to control objects in orbit using magnetic force. Until recently, the use of magnetic force to remotely control objects was considered not very practical. After all, the power of such a force decreases as the distance between the source of the magnetic field and the object it affects increases. But Chinese scientists said they had solved this problem. According to the authors of the study, the prototype is still being tested, but if such a device is placed at a distance of 1 kilometer from the target, it will be able to deflect the direction of space debris and will also be able to attract satellites to the spacecraft for their repair. The main component of the prototype of the new device is a magnetized coaxial gun that can create plasma waves. These torus-shaped plasma rings contain charged ions and electrons that can move freely under the influence of electric and magnetic fields. The magnetic field produced by the plasma ring discharge current induces a charge in the plasma, which in turn produces a magnetic field opposite to the original magnetic field. This lasts until the magnetic field lines are frozen in the plasma, and thus the magnetic force can be transferred to a target that is far from the plasma ring. According to the scientists, the prototype can fire 8 plasma rings at the target every second at a speed of 10 kilometers per second, which is much faster than the speed of sound. When the plasma rings reach the remote object, they will begin to affect its movement with magnetic force. Was this video interesting for you? Please share your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for more interesting videos.